Hello everyone, I am Khushi. Today is a very special day, not just because I'm using Nosh, the AI robo chef, for the very first time, but also because of the dish we have chosen for today, Odia Dalma. With Rath Yatra around the corner and my roots from Orissa, this felt like a very special dish to share with you all. So let's bring innovation and tradition together in one plate. So cooking on Nosh is very simple. You can either use the tab given on the machine or you can use your phone to select the ingredients and the dish of your choice. So today I'm going forward with the tab on the machine to cook my dish. So I'll go ahead and choose the dish I am cooking today. So let's search Dalma and here is Orissa Dalma. We tap on it and then I'm cooking for 2 people today. So the servings I'll be choosing is 2. Then we go forward. We have the ingredient tray. So let's start prepping the ingredient tray. I have all the ingredients prepared for my dish as suggested by the Nosh app. So let's go forward and fill the ingredient tray. So the first ingredient we have is dry chili and hing. So let's go forward with putting 1 dry chili and half a teaspoon of hing. The next ingredient we have is ghee. So I'll put about 1.5 teaspoon of ghee. So the next ingredient is ginger. So about 3.5 spoons of ginger is going to be put inside the slot 1. So I have about 100 grams of boiled tur dal with me, and in the slot 2 I'm going to put around half of it. So let's go ahead and put half of the tur dal inside the slot 2. So we are done with slot 2. So let's go forward with putting the rest of the tur dal in slot 3. My slot 4 looks very colorful. So let's start with putting brinjal, yam and raw banana. So I'm going to put all of them together inside the 4th slot. And next I'm going to put pumpkin and carrot to it. So let's go forward and do that. Very colorful, I must say. I think this is the best part about the whole tray. So we are done with slot 4. Let's go forward and put the rest of the ingredients in slot 5, which is coriander leaves. And then we have dal masala. Then we have sugar. And then at last we have grated coconut. Okay, wait, I think I am forgetting something. A little bit more of ghee to add the perfect taste to the dal. Now my ingredient tray is full and good to go inside the Nosh machine. My ingredient tray is now ready to go inside Nosh. So now Nosh is asking me if the water content level and the oil content is at the indicated levels. So I think it is. So we can go forward with it. Now it's checking the rest of the components. We'll wait for that. All good to go. Now a quick check of the camera and the dish is ready to be cooked. My Odia Dalma is now ready and I can already smell it in the air. So let's go and check the consistency of the dal and how it tastes. My dish is finally ready for the taste test. Let's do it. It tastes delicious, the right amount of comfort and happiness I needed today. You guys, stay tuned for the next recipe.